here on the driver's side corner. Already made this piece right here. Come out of the quarter panel. This little rusty piece was all up in here, looking like Swiss cheese. So I made this patch panel right here. Made it out of this. Came off an exercise bike. Alright, got her clamped up. Let's see if it holds. Well, the pitted metal proved just too much for me to weld into. So now we're doing one more patch. Welding done. The primer sprayed on, a few little pinholes here and there that can be covered by spot putty if I ever get around to that. But original Buick metal put in these little areas, and then that's my fab piece right there.